In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness on your Sony Smart TV. Now over here I have the Sony Google TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Sony Smart TV you have, whether you have the Sony Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV or even the Sony Google TV just like this one over here. Following the same steps, you should be able to increase or reduce the brightness of any Sony Smart TV you have. Now to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of any Sony Smart TV you have. So just scroll horizontally until you get to the settings of your Sony Smart TV. In the case of the Sony Google TV, it is usually at the top of the TV over here. Now once you get to the settings, you want to head over to the display and sound settings. So go ahead and open up the display and sound settings over here, or in some Sony Smart TVs you're going to see it as the picture settings. Now once you click on it, you can now go ahead and click on picture settings at the top right corner of the TV. And then from here, you just want to scroll down until you get to brightness over here. You can literally see that. Now go ahead and select it. And from this option, you can now go ahead and increase the brightness by just selecting it and then click on OK. And from the bottom over here, I can now reduce or increase the brightness using the navigation buttons on my remote control. So to reduce it, I will use the navigation left button, and you can literally see the brightness of my Sony Smart TV is now reducing. To increase it, you just want to use the navigation button right to increase it as well. Now that is basically how to adjust the brightness of your Sony Smart TV. You can go ahead and change other things, for instance the black level, the gamma as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.